All right, let me show you how this works with the home biogas system that I just brought in to the game. So it'll go like this. We come into the room. The first thing we can do is play videos, right? And
I bring these tools in, and it's almost not just walk around, fly around. It lets you limitations have suddenly been overcome.
So we've got that. That's great fun. And then we go into the room, and we have a slideshow that we can play, and it's about clean energy. And any one of these you can walk up to and hear what the slide has to say.
About my history.
Okay, but when you get into this room here, you find that in this museum gallery, not only are there posters on the wall that have annotations.
Today is the same thing.
Right? I mean, you can
all these years later, but simply on a larger geographic scale with, I hope, a larger impact.
But you can walk right up to the home biogas system. And
this is a commercial home biogas system for an average family. It comes folded up in a small box and can be set up in an hour. It consists of a flexible bag for the digester on the bottom, which you simply fill with water and inoculate with manure on the first day, and a flexible balloon on the top, which will start to fill with gas after the first 3 weeks. It has sandbags for weight to provide gas pressure.
And you can walk away, then it stops, but you can always come back to it.
The feed pipe has a plunger, so food waste can simply be scraped from your plate and pushed down the feed pipe below the water line. The other side of the home biogas system has a pipe for the gas to go to a cook stove and an overflow pipe for you to collect the liquid fertilizer in a bucket. It's the simplest system around and can provide a family with up to 2 hours of cooking gas from each bucket of food waste.
So
this
you can
is
move
a commercial
around.
home.
You can move around as parts of it are being described, which is pretty cool. And then you can go and you can see this.
This is an example of the simple Archie India home biogas system that I first encountered in Pune, India on apartment rooftops in January of 2000.
And then you have the solar panel. And so you have all these artifacts.
This is an example of a hand.
And the other thing that's cool is when you get through the gallery, you see you can put windmills in and you can put penguins in, and there's a penguin in Machu Picchu. Then we get back to here, and you can play
and
this
I mean
video.
100% of it, home biodigester dragon. Big dragon here. Microbes, which are 3 pipes. So whether you buy one or whether you build it yourself, it's just a device that turns food waste into fuel and fertilizer. And it produces methane gas, which we call biogas. We use it to do almost all of our cooking, supplemented with a solar-powered cook stove.
Okay, so that's basically the way that the game works. And it's a whole lot of fun. So much that can be done. There's a lot of space to put other exhibits in the gallery, for sure. And then the character, if I can get him up the stairs, which is...
and we use it to heat our shower water.
And so if we can get outside, then you can see that you can do a lot more with this. And out here, our character can go and see the big Pusheen digesters as well, along with the animated goats on the Google map, right? And the cows are here. So there's the cows and the chickens, but then you can come up to the biodigesters, which aren't quite finished, but you can get up in there and...
This is a 10 cubic meter, or 2,750 gallon, Chinese biodigester built by our students with the Bishop Construction Company. It can take approximately 60 gallons of food waste per day, that's a whole barrel, and produce up to 10,000 liters of biogas, which can be used to cook for 24 hours. It costs about $5,000 in materials to build.
So that's the whole idea here, is that we can, we can really begin to populate these entire worlds and learn things, bring people on virtual tours. So that's what I was talking about on the phone today. Yeah, you're cool. I can't wait to brainstorm with you better ways to use these tools for sustainability education.